Labbe lubab.
The perfect balance of nature.
Assalamu alaikum.
I am your host, and today we will talk about an animal that symbolizes strength, dignity, and the balance of nature. Yes, the wolf. Viewers, you may know that the wolf is considered the national animal of Turkey. The Turkish nation chose the wolf as a metaphor for its bravery, freedom, and courage. But did you know that this dangerous animal also has a surprising humility hidden in its nature? Let's imagine this scene for a moment. When one wolf is weakened by another in a fight, and he is convinced that he can no longer win, he surrenders and offers his throat and neck to his opponent without any resistance, as if to say, I have lost. Let's take this fight to the end now. But viewers, here comes a surprising twist. The victorious wolf, who could have eliminated his rival if he wanted to, stops at that moment. An ancient force, an innate code awakens within him, which prevents him from making this final attack.
Because in the language of nature, the survival of the living is more important than finding temporary peace by killing his companion.
This is the natural system in which there is neither cowardice that surrenders, nor mercy that saves life. This is the perfect balance, where there is no winner and no loser. The two wolves separate from each other and return to their lives, and thus the cycle of nature continues.
Viewers, this is the true example of humility and modesty, which teaches us that controlling one's strength and anger is true bravery.
So the next time you hear the name of the wolf, don't just remember its bloodthirsty image, but also remember the lesson hidden within it, which teaches us the importance of humility, restraint, and survival. That was today's topic. If you liked our video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, and be sure to tell us in the comments how you like this quality of the wolf. Allah Hafiz. अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल लबे लुबाब सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो बराए करम अभी कर दें और साथ ही घंटी का बटन भी दबाएं ताकि हर नई वीडियो बर वक्त इत्तला आप तक पहुंचती रहे। शुक्रिया।